Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Have you watched our video yesterday with unboxing of Nokia X6? If not, then you can watch it by the link in description. This time we want to talk about performance of this phone. Nokia X6 has very attractive price of about $200, but it still offers good specifications. Is it really good for gaming? Let's find out. Now you can hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. Nokia X6 is powered by Snapdragon 636 chipset. This is good mid-range processor, which is quite often used in smartphones around $200. We have a version with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. There is slot for microSD memory card to expand internal memory. By the way, Nokia X6 and Nokia 6.1 Plus are the same devices, but the last is designed for international market. So Nokia 6.1 Plus supports more network bands than Nokia X6. You should pay attention to this, because Nokia X6 may not have 4G LTE in your country, just like me. Let's look at benchmark results and then play some games. As you can see, Nokia X6 has about 113,000 points in AnTuTu. This is very good result for $200 phone. For example, Xiaomi Mi A2 on Snapdragon 660 scores about 120,000 points. Also, we tested GeekBench for Ants 3D Mark. You can see them on your screen. If you're interested in memory speed, Wi-Fi speed and GPS, the Nokia X6 doesn't have any problems. Here is 272 megabit per second of reading speed and 201 megabit per second of writing speed. The GPS has 4 meters of accuracy. While speed test shows 65 megabit per second. Everything looks fine, but what about gaming? Let's try to play some heavy games. Today you don't need flagship smartphones to play the latest Android games. Nokia X6 costs only $200, but you can easily run PUBG Mobile, Shadowgun Legends and Asphalt 9. There are no lags or slowdowns. Everything looks good. However, we should note that games run on medium graphics settings. For example, the same PUBG Mobile choose medium graphics by default, and you cannot change them. Nokia X6 has very good performance for everyday tasks. We don't notice any problems with the user interface and popular social media apps such as Instagram. If you are not pro gamer and you don't need high graphics in games, then Nokia X6 is a good option. This phone runs any Android games. Thanks for watching. The next video will be about camera of Nokia X6. If you're interested, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.